Hello, welcome to Logan's channel, and today we will be unboxing this Super Spin Dealership. And we will be unboxing it and having a little play with it. Oh, we need scissors.
Okay. So what's the main bit then?
So the main bit so far is this. You can store cars on here as well. You can open these flaps up to get cars out. And also, it has like a bit of like a U-turn here. And also there's like a little alleyway going underneath the turn, which is cool. Daddy's got it out, Daddy.
And what's that then?
So like this bit right here is the launcher. So like you can get that into here like that. Then like I can aim it.
You know what the car's called?
And the car is called Tigray. Tigray.
Have you had a Tigray before?
No, I have not had a Tigray before. So, I wonder what it looks like up on level 4.
Wow. Does it launch it all the way up into there?
Yep. And I can spin it round to add more cars in.
Wow.
Watch this.
Oh, that's
And like
wicked.
it can go back up, then done the exact same. I want to see what it looks like. How does it do that? I wonder how it can do that. It can.
If you pop that out then, does it jump all the way out? So if you did that now, will it jump all the way out?
No, it's at the top.
No, if you did it in the launcher, would it now do it all the way out?
It might.
No, still holds it in place.
Probably
Right.
because it wasn't at the exact angle.
Ah,
Try it again. It wasn't at the angle.
wasn't at the angle. Right,
No.
let me just try and move out the way.
Then I can go.
You can go. There you go. Jump straight through.
Now let's try it right through, like vroom, it would just go in a straight line.
Shut straight out.
Yep,
Right, is that it all unboxed?
yep. And I also have 2 other stations.
Is that now adding to your collection?
Now I've got 3. And look. also got a stunt garage.
Wow.
Look right here. This is a Fast and Furious Hot Wheel. Bet you've never seen one of those before.
There they have a multi-pack.
Yep, and it came with a Follow Munch race crate.
Ah, that'll be that crate down there then.
Yep, that's the one.
Looks like you've got a load
And
of stuff.
look what it can do on the stump garage.
Very good. Right, so you signing off for this video?
Please subscribe to Logan's channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment
Very good.
down below.